Hello guys, today I have got a Google Pixel 10a and I'm going to show you how to enable the one-hand mode on this device. So, at first, open Settings. Here, now you need to go to the System. Over here, now you need to go straight to the Gestures. And now, as you can see here, they have one-hand mode. Tap it to enable. And now here they have either pull notifications into reach or show notifications. So I don't really like this gesture, but it should work. As I can see, it doesn't. Here, pull screen to reach. As I can see, it's enabled, and I don't know why it doesn't work, but it should work. Okay, now it works. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.